through customs, I'm gonna see if my gate exists. That's what you're supposed to do. It's very demure. It's very mindful. But yeah, it's just so hectic. Like check after they check your passport. You're scanning tires for like I think 3 to 4 times. It's crazy. But yeah. Some work to do and I have to write a document, so I think I'm gonna start on that, wait for a little bit and then go get something to eat before the flight. But my bag, the strap, like it broke. At least I was trying to fix up my suitcase because they're like, oh, put your carry-on in the thingy, and I was like, and then it broke. So now I'm gonna have to store it when I get back home, but it's not that big of a deal, but like kind of ruined the vibe. Either way, that's that thing. Okay, I've done some work. I'm gonna go look around. I don't know. I don't know which one to pick. This is classic. I'm shopping for some merch for my mom, and I don't know if she like this black bear. Doesn't give more. Can you get this? What? Crazy. I don't know which one to get. Oh, this is cool. Dollar bills. Dollar bills one, maybe. Okay, this one is a plain Canadian flag. And we get these little character items. Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't know which one to get, but this is so Canadian. What the fuck? Crazy. Four should be fine. 4 should be fine. Okay, maybe 6. Okay, I'm in the next store and I need lotion for my face because I get dehydrated when I'm on a plane. I'm looking at the options. This one's the only one we have right now. I mean, people trust the Vino, so I'm gonna try and use it. Let's see if we stay moisturized on this flight. And I also want to buy a face mask, but I don't know where to look for it from. Oh, you know what I mean? Wait, that makes sense. Okay, I found a table where you can charge your phone and also order and scan. You have to scan to eat. But I think I'm gonna work from here because at the place I was, there were no chargers. But they're here, so I'm gonna wait until boarding time and eat and work. And I was like, get the money, get the bag. But yeah, it's been okay so far. Besides my bag. I have to tell it like this now. I don't know what the fuck this is. That's crazy. But anyway, it is what it is. Got the charger. I'm too lazy to reach into my bag and look for stuff. Also, it's like an hour to go till we board. Because I think we board like 30 minutes before the flight actually has to leave or something. I mean, I signed up for the number, so I think I'll get a reminder, but... got the quesadillas. I ordered chicken ones. Let's taste where the 1, 2 team. Yeah, they're juicing out. They're juicy, these. I like good salsa. You're okay. This actually is not bad food. I've been hungry the whole day. That is our flight. I ended up getting the suitcase and now I'm going to be boarding. So
Si vous avez une inquiétude. Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
One eternity later.
why didn't you tell us? We were so Hi or something. Hi, Mama. Welcome home. Hi, I'm working. Come, Nana, just walk. Too many balloons. Okay guys, I'm here. I got balloons and I'm with they got me balloons and roses and made us take 1,000 pictures, but yo, we love pictures. Right? Logistics. Look at the roses.
It's not my thing.
Okay guys, we're now home. Yay! Also, I got flower. Okay, also I got flowers. That was nice. That was nice. And a whole bunch. A whole bunch of American balloons. You know that TikTok that goes, my pronouns are USA.
You're screaming your pronouns right now.
But yeah, this is what I got. And I'm thinking for yes.
I'm running away from the balloon, that blue balloon, and it's following me everywhere.
But yeah, I made it back home. This is my auntie Christian.
Featuring me. It's
Yeah.
a surprise. You didn't know?
Yes.
Oh, my goodness.
She came to America, I think Houston. So
Yes.
she's in Houston, we're in Mesquite. And I'm gonna
I'm
be visiting
visiting
her a lot more
Canada
often.
next month.
Really?
I'm joking. I don't even know how to do it.
Bro, I was about to get excited, bro. I was about to.
I will come. I will figure it out.
You have to. This whole family hasn't visited me in Canada yet, you know?
Can I ask why?
I don't believe.
She featured in our. She doesn't know where she.
Oh yeah, and she know where? Where? And this is my auntie Chenna. This is my auntie Chenna. She is going to be telling me what to do for the next few days.
Oh my god.
But yeah,
Instructions.
instruction. The government is here. But yeah, this is the flowers and yeah, this is oh yeah, auntie Chenna. You know my introduction anyway, is it? This is my flower. This is auntie Chichi. This is auntie Chichi. Light skin mamas right here.
Oh yeah. Hey hey.
So yeah, this is everyone here except for my mother. My mother is somewhere. Yeah, yeah, and this is Rain. Rain right here. My little cousin, and that's Eli. Yeah, we'll see you guys later. Guys, we got romantic Jimmy. She gave me this. Look at it. Let's open it. Let's open it.
Just pull it.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That's also a thing you can do. Hey, Katambo, got you. Right. Let's get you over. Okay. Right. Okay, baby. Thank you. Well, this is such a dramatic unboxing for perfume. That's crazy. Wow, this is so cool.
Open it.
Oh my god. I'm going out to read that directing it. Oh, this is fancy. That is crazy.
Celebrate your name.
Oh, that's crazy. Whoa, that's like, oh, that's crazy.
Nice. Morale.
Oh my god, that's crazy. The first time in this family to like actually put my real name on everything. My mom doesn't like it, but oh, that looks so cool. What? My mom was guys, nature know it like me. Did form a perfume or design of day?
Imagine at 21.
Okay, see you guys tomorrow.
She's home. My
Yeah,
baby's
guys, this is
home.
my mother, my beautiful mother right here.
I'm the fabulous mom.
Yeah, exactly. She's been squeezing me the whole time, and now my
She
baby's
doesn't like
home.
being squeezed by her own mom. Can you imagine?
She's squeezing me like we're about to die. Like, bro. She put red lip gloss all over me, and she put her makeup on me too. You know what I mean? But yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Okay, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye. Happy you're home.
Thank you.